Design is defined by light and shade, and appropriate lighting is enormously important. Hey guys, I hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. I am Misha. Lighting is one of the most important aspects of your interior. It can completely transform the look of a space for better or for worse. On the one hand, it can turn a drab room into a glossy magazine-worthy space with the simple flick of a switch. Or, on the other, it can under or over-illuminate, resulting in headache, tired eyes, and lighting fatigue. In this video, I will take you through a variety of different lighting types and provide ideas on how to style the lighting in your home interior. There are two main types of lighting which everyone could do with knowing a little more about natural light and artificial light. Sunlight is the best light source there is. It is mentally stimulating and absolutely free. But it's also difficult to control. Light will differ wherever you live. For example, light in the north is much cooler. The time of the day and season also affect the amount of natural light in a room. Candle and firelight are also good source of natural light and should not be forgotten. Candles are beautiful when placed on either end of mantelpiece or a formal dining table. For a more casual look, hurricanes or lanterns are the easy way to enjoy the warm glow of candlelight indoors or outdoors. Artificial lighting should be used to add layers to your space, as well as adding to the overall interior design style of a space. Artificial lighting can be used to highlight features, create zones, and alter the perceived proportion of a room. Think about where you need what, how you plan to use your space, and use a range of lighting effects to create the desired look. General lighting is the basic foundation of a lighting scheme, providing a uniform glow over an entire room and illuminating a space, functionally rather than for aesthetic reasons. It's usually direct and should be controlled by a dimmer switch to account for changes in daylight. Task lighting is any light source used for a particular task like reading or cooking. Reading and working area are some of the most obvious areas in need of task lighting. Mirror lighting works well in personal grooming areas and bathrooms. The kitchen is another area into which task lighting must be incorporated to make food preparation easier and safer. Similar to task lighting, spotlight, which highlights artwork, sculptures and objects in cabinets or on pedestals, which enhance the pieces and prevent them from being lost in an under-illuminating space. Dimming controls are highly recommended for cutting electricity use and providing more flexible lighting options. Make use of lighter colors and reflection to create the atmosphere you desire. Consider adding mirrors and reflective surface for a shiner and brighter appearance. The lighting level in your home will depend on the amount of natural light that room receives. Take advantage of natural light whenever you can, since it can have a positive effect on your health and mood. Low light is better for producing a relaxing and calming effect. Use brighter lights for high focus areas to encourage activity. Consider the relationship between rooms when planning a lighting scheme. Sharp changes from bright to dark can cause disorientation and eye fatigue. Place wall lights on shorter walls. This will balance out your room and take attention away from long walls. Think carefully about wattage. 60 or 75 watt bulbs are too bright for mood lighting. A 40 watt bulb is much more inviting. Speak with a professional to make sure you're using the right wattage for each fixture and that your lighting combination makes sense for your space. Think of what your room will be used for and what furniture will be included in it. And I hope You know that certain pieces will require specific lighting. Have a nice time lighting your home. Take care and goodbye. Don't forget to subscribe and like Design by Misha.